Hi guys, today I will explain how to add emotions in ElevenLabs. This process is really simple and easy, but before going any further, let me tell you one thing: you cannot put emotions by yourself in any accent. Even if you change these things like the stability, similarity, or style of that accent, then you will not add any kind of emotion in that accent, because each accent is generated, but you can find a lot of accent in ElevenLabs, which would be generated as per your need. And how can you do it? For this, take a look on the left side here. You can see the option of voices. Just click on it. And here are all the voices. As you can see, these labels, this character is for news and for more things. If I click on this view here, I can see the voice of this character is American, soft, and young, and it's a female voice and also good for news. So with help of this accent, I can generate videos like news, and the voice of this accent is soft, so it will be good in storytelling. And if we scroll down more, you can see this accent is useful for entertainment and TV. And if I click on this view here, you can see this list. And it's a bit different from the previous one. So by exploring each labels of accent, you can check the emotions of all character and can choose a character as you desired. And I told you, you cannot put emotions by yourself. If you want to use ElevenLabs yourself, click down the link in the subscription to help support our channel. So I hope after watching my video, you understand it better.